Bitcoin money cost for the most part remained at $121.28 a coin, or so they generally thought. The present range, $119.88, $124.71, which truly is genuinely critical. Yesterday, as nearby, $122.86, which basically is very critical. The change, 1.58, 1.29% in an unpretentious way. Converse rate, USD to BCH, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin money value expectation for later, week and month in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Tuesday, February 14. Beautiful least cost $113, certainly greatest $131, and by the day's end cost $122 a coin in an unpretentious manner. BCH to USD expectations on Wednesday, February 15. Sort of least cost $113, sort of most extreme $131, and by the day's end cost $122 a coin and in every practical sense, significant way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, February 16. Least cost $109, exceptionally greatest $125, and by the day's end cost $117 a coin, which is genuinely critical. BCH to USD expectations on Friday, February 17. Sort of least cost $106, certainly most extreme $122, and by the day's end cost $114 a coin in a genuinely significant manner. In multi-week Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, February 20, least cost $102, lovely greatest $118, and by the day's end cost $110 a coin, or so they essentially thought. BCH to USD expectations on Tuesday, February 21, in every way that really matters. Least cost $106, kind of most extreme $122, and by the day's end cost $114 a coin. BCH to USD expectations on Thursday, February 23, lovely least cost $101, most extreme $117, and by the day's end cost $109 a coin. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, February 24, really least cost $100, greatest $116, and toward the day's end cost $108 a coin, which explicitly is genuinely critical. In about 14 days BCH to USD expectations on Monday, February 27. By and large least cost $100, sort of most extreme $116, and by the day's end cost $108 a coin, which in every practical sense is very huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, February 28. Least cost $100, exceptionally greatest $116, and by the day's end cost $108 a coin. BCH to USD forecasts on Wednesday. Walk 1. Most certainly least cost $103, truly greatest $119, and by the day's end cost $111 a coin in a significant manner. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday. Walk 2. Truly least cost $105, truly greatest $121, and toward the day's end cost $113 a coin and in every practical sense, enormous way. BCH to USD expectations on Friday. Walk 3. Genuinely least cost $101, kind of greatest $117, and by the day's end cost $109 a coin. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday. Walk 6. Really least cost $101, essentially greatest $117, and toward the day's end cost $109 a coin in a significant manner. BCH to USD expectations on Tuesday. Walk 7. Truly least cost $102 in every way that really matters. Most extreme $118, and by the day's end cost $110 a coin, which is very critical. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk 8. Least cost $103, greatest $119, and by the day's end cost $111 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. BCH to USD forecasts on Thursday. Walk 9. Least cost $104, lovely greatest $120, and by the day's end cost $112 a coin. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday. Walk 10. Genuinely least cost $109, sort of most extreme $125, and by the day's end cost $117 a coin. In about a month BCH to USD expectations on Monday. Walk 13. For the most part least cost $104, greatest $120, and by the day's end cost $112 a coin in an extremely significant manner. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk 14. In every way that really matters. Least cost $107, fundamentally most extreme $123, and by the day's end cost $115 a coin in a sort of significant manner. BCH to USD expectations on Wednesday. Walk 15. Truly least cost $108, truly most extreme $124, and by the day's end cost $116 a coin. In opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to BCH conversion scale in a real sense remained at 82.4538 coins per 10,000 bucks, which essentially is very critical. Today, S reach 80.1860834168. Yesterday, S nearby 81.3935, which generally is genuinely huge. The change, plus 1.0603, plus 1.30%. USD to BCH estimate for later, week and month, which is very critical. Wednesday, February 15, by the day's end swapping scale 81.967 coins, genuinely least 76.336 and kind of most extreme 88.496 in an unobtrusive manner. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Thursday, February 16, by the day's end swapping scale 85.470 coins, for the most part least 80.000 and kind of greatest 91.743 in a very significant manner. USD to BCH expectations on Friday, February 17, by the day's end swapping scale 87.719 coins, extremely least 81.967 and greatest 94.340. In multi-week dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, February 20, by the day's end swapping scale 90.909 coins, least 84.746 and greatest 98.039, which is genuinely critical. USD to BCH forecasts on Tuesday, February 21, by the day's end swapping scale 87.719 coins, by and large least 81.967 and really most extreme 94.340, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday, February 22, by the day's end conversion scale 90.090 coins, sort of least 84.034 and sort of greatest 97.087 in an unobtrusive manner. USD to BCH forecasts on Thursday, February 23, by the day's end conversion scale 91.743 coins, least 85.470 and greatest 99.010 in an unobtrusive manner. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Friday, February 24, by the day's end conversion standard 92.593 coins, least 86.207 and most certainly greatest 100.000. In about 14 days USD to BCH expectations on Monday, February 27, by the day's end conversion standard 92.593 coins, truly least 86.207 and genuinely greatest 100.000 in an unpretentious manner. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, February 28, by the day's end swapping scale 92.593 coins, especially least 86.207 and really greatest 100.000. USD to BCH expectations on Wednesday. Walk 1, by the day's end conversion standard 90.090 coins, in every way that really matters, least 84.034 and greatest 97.087, or so they especially thought. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Thursday. Walk 2, by the day's end conversion standard 88.496 coins, in every practical sense, least 82.645 and greatest 95.238 in an unobtrusive manner.